Good Sunday afternoon, folks. I just finished filming a review of C's Lollipops and finished off with sampling the Vanilla Live. And basically, it's richer than French vanilla ice cream and totally wonderful. So check out that video and check out C's YouTube page. Okay, today we got a couple locks for you. Although I'm sure you have spotted three. We've got two TSA number 2 locks. And I've actually had my eyes on those for months, but didn't want to spend the $24 for the pair of them. Since you can normally get a TSA lock for about, $6. But I actually won a $100 gift card from Express Employment for perfect attendance. If you have perfect attendance, they do a drawing, and I won the draw that month. So I splurged the money and then spent like 3 weeks not being able to pick one of them. It was mean. That's true. And then we've got this right screen door with locking mechanism in it. So anyway, last night I decided I'd give the second of the locks of the master locks a try and got it open. So we're going to do 2 reviews today, and I think the first one, when I finally got it open, was really sticky, and I think there was just some excess plastic in there preventing me from getting it open initially, but it's still a little bit tough to open. So let's give this right a try. It's just a real simple wafer lock. It does have 5 wafers, and the keys in the bag. So I'm not gonna get that out. Okay. And we're open, and it goes all the way around, and when you do that, it pops out. So obviously that's not how it doesn't pop out in real life when it's assembled, but so yeah, there's a wafer, and basically I only had to use 3 of them to get it open. That's easy! Yes, it was, Polar Bear. Okay, so this is the TSA lock that I got open first. But yeah, you cannot believe how disappointed it was. I bought this, and then I bought a double core deadlock bolt at the True Value that day, and couldn't get the one open for several days. Couldn't get this open for like 3 weeks. And yeah, I finally got it open. Gave it a couple practice goes before filming, and it hasn't opened since. Tried the other core, and I'm able to get it open. So it's been a little fart. I should have had this open by now. Probably going camera shy on me. But yeah, they make 7 TSA master locks, and the only ones you can basically find is the TSA 7. I consider myself lucky I found the 2, and it was still there after several months. But I think other people were the same, that they didn't want to spend $24 on something they could get cheaper. So Okay, here we got it. Here we got it. Okay. Let's see if we can get the other one open here. Yeah, if it weren't for the fact I was doing some cleanup last night, I'd have probably never pulled that second one out of the package last night and gave it a shot. Okay, now we got that one. Sucker time! Yum, 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 yum.